Welcome to the channel. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos updates. Today I talk about some essential oils that can help you treat nausea. Some of the properties of essential oils can work to kill bacteria, relax muscles, relieve pain, improve digestion, and cure nausea. If you experience frequent nausea due to pregnancy, stomach irritation, vertigo, gastrointestinal reflux, or other common conditions, essential oils might be a helpful treatment. Number 1, lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil is perhaps best known for its relaxing properties. Using lavender oil topically or in a diffuser can help your mind decompress as you get ready for bed. This same property can also make lavender effective in fighting nausea. How to use. If your nausea is caused by anxiety or physical pain, lavender's power to relax might be just what you are looking for. This remedy works best when you put a few drops of lavender in an essential oil diffuser and breathe in slowly as the scent fills the air. For nausea caused by pregnancy, a virus, or post operative pain, you might want to try some of the other oils on this list. Number 2, ginger essential oil. Ginger essential oil has been studied as a remedy for nausea and motion sickness. People swear by it, and the research agrees that it works. Ginger oil can be diffused into the air with an oil diffuser rubbed onto pressure points at your forehead and wrist, or even rubbed directly on your stomach to improve nausea. One clinical trial revealed that this remedy is particularly effective for people that experience nausea while recovering from surgical anesthesia. Ginger is also generally considered safe for pregnant women experiencing nausea. Number 3, peppermint essential oil. Peppermint tea is often suggested as a remedy for nausea, but the essential oil can have the same soothing effect. How to use. Inhaling peppermint oil when you feel nauseous will improve your symptoms and have you feeling better quickly. Peppermint oil's effect on different kinds of nausea. Try peppermint oil in a diffuser the next time you are feeling sick. Number 4, spearmint essential oil. Spearmint is super effective for nausea. Like peppermint and ginger oils, spearmint essential oil can be used for nausea. How to use. Apply to pressure points rubbed gently over the stomach and intestinal area for diffuse through the air to bring relief for nausea. The refreshing scent of spearmint mixed with the menthol component of its oil can make you feel more alert and able to breathe despite your nausea. Number 5, cardamom essential oil. Cardamom is a spice in the same family as ginger with its own unique properties and scent. The essential oil of cardamom was used in a blend of other essential oils in a clinical trial for post-operative nausea. How to use. To use cardamom in a mix or try it on its own, put a few drops into an essential oil diffuser. The rich, spicy scent of the cardamom may also help you to relax, which could decrease nausea and anxiety due to illness. Number 6, fennel essential oil. Fennel is frequently used as a digestive aid and a constipation reliever. Fennel is able to relax the digestive tract, which prevents and aids nausea. Using fennel essential oil could have the same effect. How to use. Fennel oil can be diluted in a carrier oil and applied to pressure points on your body or diffused. There's little risk to using fennel oil several times per day. It's important to remember that essential oils aren't monitored by the Food and Drug Administration for purity, quality, or safety. If purchasing essential oils, be sure to buy from a reputable company. You can visit our Amazon store to buy reputed company essential oils, link in the description box.